In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to change your Gmail password on your phone. So first open Gmail app on your device. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on manage your Google account. This will take you to the Google account settings. Now swipe over to the security tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you find password. Google will ask you to verify your identity. So go ahead and enter your current password, and if you don't remember one, just try to forget your password. Here you will ask your recovery phone number or recovery email. You have to go through that step, otherwise you won't be able to change your password. So go ahead and enter your current password. Once you are in, you will be able to enter a new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Like I did. After entering new password, tap on the change password button and your password will be changed. And that's it. Your Google password is now updated. You may need to sign in back into other apps like YouTube or Google Drive with new password as you have changed your password. And I hope this found helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment below. If you have any question, need more tips, just comment down below.